let's discuss LeetCode problem number 31, next permutation. But before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, back to the problem. Next permutation. It's I can show you with an example in a bit. I think I just will read. Uh, this one I didn't like the description here on the LeetCode website. What you are supposed to do. Say for example, it really doesn't make sense until actually like 1 2 3 you are supposed to output 1 3 2. So the next permutation of an array of integers is the next lexicographically greater permutation of its integer. So that's what you are supposed to produce. But let us take I'll explain this with a better example. Let's take a look at the solution. So if we have like 1 2 3 4, right, and you want to display all the permutations, this is what it is. Like given three numbers, say for example you get 6 permutations, so that's what actually you start off with 1 in the first column, and then you permute the remainder of the thing, and then you do for 2 you do the same thing, you swap, and 3 and then 4. So this is how you actually get all the permutations. And if you see like where it changes, this is a very bigger change. So that's where this algo comes, is like you start from the right and find the first decreasing one, and then you find the number which is greater than this one to swap with. So that is what becomes 1 and 2. We'll look at the algorithm in a bit, and then you actually reverse them. So that's what you do. Like in this case of 1 4 3 2, the first decreasing index was found at 1, and then the element just larger than num0 is at index 3, which is 2. So you swap these two, and then it becomes 2 4 3 1, and then you reverse the one after the index 0. So then it becomes 2 1 3 4. And if you look at this one where it changes, 2 1 4 3 2 becomes 2 1 3 4. So that's the pattern. Also I call it as find swap reverse. So let us go through the code. So you basically start off with n is the num size, and then you start from the second last element to search for the first decreasing element from the right, and then in this loop you move left while the current element is greater than or equal to the next one, meaning it's still a non-decreasing order from the right. So once you are done with that, you proceed. If I is found, if you found such an I, in our case it was at 0, so then you start off with j at the last element of the array. Now you try to move left j to find the first greater element greater than nums j, which is 2 in our example. That's what you do, and afterwards you swap them. Once you swap, you do the reverse from nums dot begin plus I plus 1 until nums dot end. So that's once you do that, you get this solution. So It is just the algorithm you come up with is with the by working with the numbers like this, and then see that it is working. So comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.